I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
What's up, Denny?
What is up, Steven? How are you tonight?
Oh, baby. Unbelievable. Great night. Another week. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Unbelievable. We saw gold trade below 4,000, hit that 39.85, rallied about 30. S&Ps, can you believe the S&P 69.16 at one point today? Unbelievable. Hey, what's up, everybody? Chick Trades 80.
Can you believe that NASDAQ has shot up to $26,000 already?
26,000 on the NASDAQ. That's just completely insane. Completely insane here. How are you, brother? How's everything?
I'm good. My daughter's doing a lot better now. We got an appointment after the show tomorrow to get her weighed again, make sure she's been gaining weight like she's supposed to.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yep.
How is the did you find the right device that you needed?
What do you mean? Oh, for her eating and everything? Yeah, we did. We think it's just because she was sick. The doctor said it was just because she didn't like it. But she's been eating it fine now, so
awesome. Come on, let's smash the chat. Let's go. Who's saying that? Let's smash the chat. Fiber Spice. Let's do it. All right, everybody. Welcome. I tell you, Denny, we saw some really great patterns today in the GLDs. Right, the GLDs reversing to sell here. I'll show this to you. On the 30 and the 60. Look at this monster bear flag on the 30-minute. Gold dropped 25 on that pattern, brother. That's a beautiful pattern. That's an absolute Picasso right there. That's the Picasso. Look at this oil making new lows. Denny, when's the market gonna get cabooshed here?
It needs to get cabooshed before. Actually, you know what? I don't even want it to get cabooshed. Let it keep going up. It'll get cabooshed sooner or later.
It will, right?
And when it does, it will caboosh super far, and then we can climb right back up.
Yeah, no. You remember about April, the S&Ps were trading 48.32 that Sunday night. And I remember my phone blew up. People were like, what the heck? My 401k. And I'm like, listen, who's to say that the market's always got to go up? I mean, like, you people think like it's just inevitable to constantly go up. I said, but I don't think you should be selling. I think you should be buying here. I posted on Twitter, Bitcoin. I posted on the S&P should go to 55, 5,600. Little did I know, but then I did say 6,500, but I'll tell you, unbelievable, to be honest with you. Really unbelievable here. So we saw a lot of action in gold today. Danny, how'd you do today?
I did not trade today. I was trying to get everything set up for some stuff that's going to be coming to MyFundedFutures very shortly. I'm not going to go into detail for that. But, I didn't really do too much of trading today. I did look at the market. It did look like it was bullish. It looked very bullish since last night. Yeah,
the key here was if you look here, you can see the underlying ETFs here. If you look here, I'll show it to you. The 15-minute, look at the 30-minute time frame. The big buying pressure, the big running ADX here. I mean, it was just unbelievable. Gold. Another look at this gold. Just before we got on, gold just dropped 8 here. I think this gold's going to get cabooshed, though. I think Wednesday they're going to cut interest rates a quarter. Okay, where do I see the S&P and NASDAQ going? I think down before up. So I think down before up for 2026. 7,400 maybe 7,200 on the S&P. 7,200. All right.
Do you see this? Do you see this huge opening yesterday night on NASDAQ though?
Did you see that?
I was surprised.
Then it dropped 27, and then gold got cabooshed. all the way down to 60, 70, 40, 20, 40, 20, 74, and rallied up to 41.25.
NASDAQ opened 200 points above what it closed on Friday.
I know, it's crazy.
It's very crazy.
It's crazy. Like, who's buying up here? Who's buying? The guy who bought gold at 43.91, he jumped. 43.91, Denny. Can you remember that? That was that Tuesday night. Can you remember that?
Mhm.
Damn. Not I. Not I. If you want to take a scalp long on the S&Ps, look to give me go like 04, 05, 09 here. You should get like 1 to 2 points on the upside. NASDAQ up 17. NASDAQ should get another push up. Now, when you see this pattern like this here, this pattern is going to make a lower high here. If you want to take the scalp right here. See this MACD negative, the algo reverse to sell. Any push up should make a lower high. Indicator 3 should get overbought into this negative MACD here. All right. FF traded, that's my line. Look at this gold, kabooshed. Man, this gold, I'm telling you, this gold's going to 38. So we saw, you know, I was kind of surprised, Denny, you know, when gold hit 4,000, I thought there'd be like 3,000 or 4,000 contracts to sell at, you know, stop orders.
Yeah.
And it really wasn't, only about 400. And it pushed the gold down to like 39.88, which wasn't that bad, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of surprised. Well, we're competing with the World Series here. We only got 289 people. We got to get to 1,000, Denny.
We need to get it to 1,000.
295. I don't say we should, you know, I've given away over 160 free access to my 7-day free trial, right? And I got to tell you, only about like 40 people signed up. It's free. I don't get it. So that means that the other 120 you can't win for 3 months.
You see these people saying that NQ is tanking or melting. It's only dropped 20 points.
What, S&Ps?
No, NASDAQ.
NASDAQ just dropped 40.
I'm looking on the 5-minute time frame. This one candle. Or no, this second candle.
From the high?
No. I'm not looking all the way from the high. I'm looking on the 5-minute. I'm looking at the last 2 red candles. It's only dropped about 20 points. But either way, NASDAQ dropping 40 points. With the moves that NASDAQ be making, 40 points does not surprise me anymore.
Nothing at all. Right?
Yeah.
S&Ps just traded up $1 here, and then right back down. Unbelievable. All right. Anybody new here? Tonight? Place of one. Place of one here. If you guys are new. ICT NGL. Then are you going to do a giveaway tonight? Denny?
I don't know. I got to fill out chat tonight and see how they're going to be doing. Make sure there's no, what's it called? No one bad-mouthing us tonight or trying to cause chaos or, you know, things like that. I want to see how they're going to do before I say yes or no to a giveaway.
S&Ps, I look to sell these 09 3/4 up to 11 and a half. This rally here. There goes the NASDAQ rallying. Gold getting kabooshed. Next bounce on gold. Somebody just texted me. NASDAQ 26,500. Gold 3,500. I can see gold at 3,500. NASDAQ 26,500. I'm backing up the truck buying the SQQQs then. Look at the S&Ps rally. You get that long?
I'm long right now.
You got, well, it's straight up to 11, so start scaling out, right? You have offers out, remember?
I do.
Okay.
I still do the same too.
Okay. Good job. All right, welcome everybody on TikTok. Again, if you are on my TikTok, you need to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube. And you need to subscribe when the time is right for the raffle. Period. for the raffle. Okay, for the raffle. All right, and please hit the subscribe button on both. SK Trading 11, not bad. Artan, how are you, Artan?
There's a gold on your screens over here.
Right there.
That was the.
You should have been practicing on. You should have been practicing. You should have been practicing on the S&Ps just now.
Some S&Ps.
Well, I said look to buy 05 to 09 and just got down to 08 and a quarter. So you should have been scaling in on the long and scaling out on the way out. Okay, there goes the S&P. Anybody buy the S&Ps there? Or NASDAQ? NASDAQ just ran about 18. NASDAQ just ran about 14. Unbelievable. Anybody new here? Crypto King, how are you, Crypto King? Systems. Where's Artan? Artan, you're famous. They're all asking for you. Where are the rules for today giveaways? We haven't issued any. Systems M, Pro Trader, Milton Barros Leon, how are you? Whistleblower RIP. It was, can you believe tonight it was 87 degrees? Okay. Ryan Nichols just posted a new copier for Ninja for up to 20 accounts. Wow. Ryan Nichols, thank you for building that. Hey, Artan, what's up, brother? What's up, Artan? Trade flows. You long the NASDAQ at 85? Just trade them. Rocky Mountain Tradies, how are you? Wayne Williamson, congratulations. Welcome. Welcome. All right, I'm probably willing to do, Aaron, we're going to do 30 giveaways tonight.
I mean, we only got like 400 people watching, so.
All right.
You gotta earn it, right?
Gotta earn it. Gotta earn it. All right. Ryan Nichols, thank you so much. I cut my tongue really bad, believe it or not. I don't know what I did. It's so hard to talk. Danny, how are you? Danny Malato 3559, how are you? Danny, we got to get these viewers up.
We are working on it, Steve. We are working on it.
I'm going to post some videos in the next couple of days here.
I don't know if we'll do a socials giveaway. I still plan on doing it the same way we've been doing it, but I just want to see how big we can grow and how active the chat will be tonight without any negativity, or how long we can keep people, you know? Pierre, you don't have to do anything. You'll receive an email stating that you want an account. For the people who have not received their accounts yet, you will receive it. It'll just be a little bit later before you can receive it. I'm contacting the guy right now who was supposed to issue them. And I think he's just been sick for right now. So just give us a little bit more time, please. Ethan, no, let's not have any negative balance either. How about we have some positive green
What's
balance?
Ethan saying here?
Ethan's saying that
Kaboosh. Beatrice, love him. There he is. Vil, hola. Hello. Hey, Vil. Is that my neighbor? Is that Vil? Is that you? All right. Very, very quiet here, Denny. Jesus. Everybody's watching the World Series. Very, very quiet here. Wow. I hope you're out of the S&Ps.
Oh, yeah, I've been out.
Okay, good, because I told you it's going to make a lower high there. Okay, it's going to make a lower high. All right. Lit GG? What do you mean? Of course. Why can't you trade? Opening Asia session due to no activation. What? Email? Why is gold slow this evening? Because it was crazy this morning. It was crazy during the day. Julian, thank you. Gold going to down. I think gold's going to get cabooshed. Absolutely. I think gold is going to get absolutely cabooshed here. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. All right. Very quiet. Look at this gold making new lows here. Very new. 400 watching. All right. Aaron, should we post a little link for people to sign up, or it's still too early?
I did already.
Oh, all right. Aaron posted in for my SK.
Yeah.
SK and MyFundedFutures.
I gave it to
Denny.
Denny.
You guys got to sign up if you want a free giveaway to my 7-day free trial, 9 to 4 every day. Hey, Bob Barker, how are you? Bob. MW Trades, how are you? Gold to 39.90. I agree. Gold continues to dump this week. I think so. I think, like I said, I think the interest rate decision on Wednesday is already built into the market. I do. But we have earnings that are coming out. Meta, Microsoft, and Google on Wednesday. Apple, Amazon, Reddit, and Roku and Coinbase on Thursday. I'll just be right back for 1 second. Let me get by. I have to get something on my car really quick. Let me just run for 1 second. I'll be right back. 1 second. Get something on my car. All right, let's see what we're gonna do here.
I think that NQ is going to keep going up, so I think we might hit 27,000 by July.
47,000.
No, 27,000.
Oh,
I'm not crazy now. Hang on. ICT, that's what I think.
Behind you. Behind.
oh, there goes the gold getting cabooshed. If this gold gets, oh my God, if this gold gets down to the 78 8.5, 77.5, 85.5. I probably look to buy for a scalp. It just got cabooshed. Oh my God. Right back up. You see these negative MACDs here? These are the stops. Just rallied 7. If this thing gets down 76.5, probably to 76.5 to maybe 80. Let me see. Where's the low here? I'll probably go 77.5, maybe to 85.5 range. Oh my God. Wow, right back up. Damn it. $10 on the gold. Damn it. This gold is probably going to be a short here. If this gold gets up to like the even 80, up to like the 06, 07, 80, I'll probably look to short it into these negative MACDs. Just rallied 10. Hey, Nitschku, how are you? I can't even say it. Nitschkumar. Okay. It went to 86.67. I see it right here. Oh my God. No, 87.20. Looks like. Let's see. Wow, this gold. Now you see the gold here. When the push down here, the MACDs are positive on the 30-minute time frame. That's why you got the bounce the way you did. But unfortunately, I wasn't here for that. All right. Unfortunately, I wasn't here. Pac-Man, you think 36.67? If this gold, let's cancel that gold short. I want to see if this gold can get up to the 10 bar. If this gold gets down here, I want to see the negative MACDs like this. If this gold gets to like the 03, 0280, 0380, I'd look to short it here. Ethan, how are you, Ethan? What a beautiful short. Great job who caught it. This was the short right here off the 15-minute time frame right here.
What do you mean by 0380?
That's the price, 403.80. Right? I don't say 4,000, 0380. I say 0380. Right? I don't say the whole price.
I was gonna short at 8.5. Is that too early?
Jesus. Anybody get that long on the gold there? Anybody get that long? Denny's here. It's just a quiet night. Denny's here. Trey Warrior, how are you? Hey, Tory Trades. How are you? Chasing gold? I agree. All right. This gold's setting up a nice bear flag here. I want to see if it gets up a little. I thought maybe 02, 03, 04 up here. You only got the short? All right. This gold right here just dropped 4. I was hoping for this bear flag short here. Into the look at this negative MACD right here. Denny, you see that negative MACD? You score okay. Chris Knopf, how are you? Oh, I agree. But you still got this buy divergence here on the 15. You still got this buy divergence on the 30 with the MACDs. You still got this buy divergence. Let's see what the 60s look like. Nope, 60s are terrible. Let's see if this gold can get a push up for shorts. Let's just see here. Again, that first push down right here, rally 10, because of these buy divergences on the 30 and the 15-minute time frame. Hey, Denny. Denny. Oh, don't happen to Denny. Denny there?
I'm here, Steve. I'm here.
Yeah,
I'm
hey,
working on
Denny,
other
somebody
things.
wants to know if they didn't get their they won last week for MyFundedFutures. What should they do?
They don't have to do nothing. I'm already in touch with the guy who's supposed to issue the accounts. He will issue them later this week. They just got to be patient and give us time, please.
It's because this person is saying they won last week. I'm
Yeah,
asking.
they won on Thursday. The accounts for Thursday have not been issued yet. They will be issued soon.
Okay, thank you. All right. Very, very quiet here. Everybody's watching. Well, it's so the first thing somebody's asking, do I recommend? I can't recommend. Number one, you want to see me wear an orange jumpsuit? That's the first thing. Number two, you have to think about how many contracts you want to trade, right? Okay. You have to decide how many contracts you want to trade. That's number one. All right. Okay. Number two. Okay. Number three. How many are you going to scale it every $2, every 2, every 1.5? Everybody's different. That's a bear flag setting up on the gold here. If you had 10 people line up, right? 10 people, nice out on the gold, on the S&Ps. I told you it's going to make a lower high. Okay. If you had 10 people line up, okay. Hey, T Mills, everybody welcome T Mills. What's up, brother T Mills? If you have 10 people, okay, and 10 people line up, and I gave a range to buy or short gold. I was short this gold here. If it gets up to the 0280 to 0880, okay, I would short this gold. Now, I'm calling a range where you should be scaling in, whether it's every 1.5, every 2, every 2.5, okay? Now, again, that was a buy divergence. When I walked in, I said, look to buy 85.5, and of course, what happens? They get down to 87.2, okay? 87.2. Bear flag setting up on the gold here. I missed it by 10 cents. Look at this. Okay. Anybody new here? Place a 1. Okay. Anybody new here? Place a 1. You go like 02, 0380 to like probably like 0980, 1080 range. You gotta scale in. So this gold, again, off the buy divergence, just ran almost 20 right here. Almost ran 20 here. Okay. All right, everybody. Jack, Kaylin, always learning. Let's see if this gold can drop a little bit here. Probably a little early. I'll be scaling in right around here. Is prop firms a good idea? I think so. I think prop firms are great. I think prop firms are great. S&P gold just ran 20 off that buy divergence. S&Ps, I told you we're going to make a lower high. S&Ps hit that 11 and a half and got cabooshed. You can look to cover this gold anywhere from the 0280, 0380 to like 0580 range. Just look for a scalp short. Let's see if they get a caboosh in here. Gold longs. I was looking for gold here, right here, on the long, right here. Okay, I was looking for gold longs here. Okay. Got to scale in. Okay. So gold just ran 21 again off the buy divergences here. That's why I was trying to jump in and buy it. I missed it by $1.50 here. And again, you got to switch to micros here. Very, very quiet here.
How did you get that number again?
I'm just looking into the 10 bar.
8.5.
Right here. I'm just looking off the overbought condition into the 10 bar.
Where is that at? Where
Right. I'm pointing it right here, Jonathan. You got to look at the screen behind you.
The 10 bar?
Right here.
I don't understand that.
I'll show you in a minute. Let's see if this gold here. And again, if you look at the bigger time frames, gold's bullish on the 15. Bullish here is on the negative on the 30. Gold is negative here on the 60-minute time frame. Anybody trade Bitcoin here? Anybody trade Bitcoin? Anybody trade Bitcoin? So this, do you see this buy divergence here on the gold? Should have waited to get this a little bit more overbought. This thing should drop down to the 0780 maybe here. Let's see. So this was like I said, when you made the new low here, the MACDs cannot confirm on the 15 and the 30-minute time frames. You trade Bitcoin? Okay. So Bitcoin, just to reverse the sell on the 60-minute time frame, very powerful. 5-minute time frame. If you look at Bitcoin right here, you can see Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin pushed up here. You can see Bitcoin right here pushed up to 114,360 and then got cabooshed here. See here on Bitcoin? Unbelievable. That gold went from 87 up to 12. Anybody trade silver here? Anybody trade silver? Should cover this gold between the 0380 and 0880 range if you're short. There we go. Just scaling it in and out. So if you're short gold, you just go every 2, 2.5. Go 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, right? And it drops. Your average price should be higher, right? Okay. Right.
I'm losing money right now. I thought it was too early.
Let's see here. S&Ps just got down to the 08.5 level here. Where are you at?
I'm a trade station shut down on me. All my matrix is gone. I've been trying to log out and log back in. It says
Why?
I don't know. I took a picture to talk to Peter.
Oh,
Said there was an error. It just came back.
Yeah.
I've shut down twice.
All right. S&Ps, if they push down to this 08.5 level again here, the 15s are getting deeply oversold here. Fiber Spice, how are you? Fernando, how are you? S&Ps just rallied too. Let's see here. So if you look at the Bitcoin here, like I said, you can see Bitcoin pushed up here. The 15s we've pushed up here. Look at the 60-minute time frame getting cabooshed here. The 60 reverses to sell. Look at the negative MACD here. You want to get the overbought condition into the negative MACD. S&P just ran too. NASDAQ just ran. Yes, yes. They come from all over, yes. NASDAQ, let's see if we get one more push down on the S&P. Look at this gold, okay? There's a futures instrument for metals. Rare metals? No, I don't believe it. Scale into shorts, yes. Fukra 18. Okay. So again, on this Bitcoin, you can see the 60-minute reversing to sell. Now, when these 15s roll over, look out below here. Look out below. Do the trades. Good job. Do the trades. Who, Ethan? Who's saying that? Look at this Bitcoin. This Bitcoin. If these S&Ps push down here, let's see where this gold got down to. I think gold got down to 06. Let's just get down to here. right back up. Got down to 07.5. Any score in a baseball game?
Yeah.
Gold got down to 0690 here. Let's see if these 15s, these 5s can get one more push down. Now, with the 5 positive here, any push down should make a higher low. You can't, Jay Shine, you can't be breaking rules, Jay Shine, right?
It was already being sold off. Right. And I was focused on this. Yeah. So focus on these first. Like he said, this order. 1, 2, 3, 4. They looked at first. 1, 2, 3, 4. For every chart. 2, 3, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Always. This is.
All right. 1-0 Dodgers, good job. Very quiet here. Arton does not play for the Dodgers. Absolutely not. All right, we got about 17 minutes. Take gold right back up. This gold trades at 17 to be up 30 off the low. So the strategy that I was saying to go long, the people on TikTok who are being disrespectful, I'm about to turn that TikTok off. Okay. Yeah, I actually cheated. I can teach it to you. If you look here on the 30 and 60-minute time frame, when this gold pushed down, okay, wise ass over there on TikTok, okay. If you want to see, this is if gold checks a 17 here, you'll be up 30. Here's the 30s turning up. So you got the oversold condition here, okay, into the positive MACD, right? That's why I said take a scalp short on the gold in the $10 range, and it dropped down to 0680. All right. If you look here, when it made the new low, wise ass, okay, in TikTok, all right, you can see that the gold made a new low right here in the overnight session. The MACDs, you tell me if the MACDs made a new low. This is a buy divergence, okay, right there. Boom. That's why I was calling for the long. All right. That's why I was calling for the long. So I was looking for 85.5. The low there was, I think, 87.20, right? And, you know, MyFundedFutures has given a lot back here, okay? Over 400, what are we about 470 now, Denny, in the night session?
Yeah, I think it's been about that much. No, you cannot join SK's giveaway if you won it last week.
All right, this gold's going to drop here. Let me see one more push up. Should have shorted at 15 in the 5. 16, just dropped 4. Okay, in the let's see here. When China opens, you think up and then down or down and then up? I think up and then down. Gold S&Ps. Again, if they trade down to the 05, 09 level, I look to buy them. NASDAQ, if NASDAQ gets down to the probably down to the 57 to the 75 range. Again, you need to scale in. Okay. If anybody wants me to teach them the scaling in and scaling out progress, no problem. Okay, I'll teach you all. Okay.
Only 31 entered,
All right.
just so you're aware.
BB Rich. Okay, only 31 people signed up for my free giveaway. I'm not doing this anymore. It's too much work. You know what I'm saying, Danny? It's too much work.
Oh, I know. How many people have signed up how many people have actually won in the last, I guess, 2 weeks since you've been doing it?
About 170, I think, 160.
So we should still have about 300 people that can sign up and win.
Yeah, but only about 50 only converted. So I'm not doing this. I'm trying to give people a chance to. So
Dang, chat. He's trying to do something nice for y'all.
I ain't
Come
doing
on.
it no more. I got 31 signups tonight, and it's free. I don't get it. So I ain't doing this no more. Anybody who signed up, okay, you can text me 914-500-7484. Okay, I want to see the people who signed up. You could blow up my phone. I don't care. I got no life anyway. So my country is banned. What country is that? Anybody who signed up who didn't win, you could text me 914-500-7484. All right. Don't trade with TradeStation. You have a major problem with the ladder. Until they fix it, you're clicking on ones, fives are popping up.
Yeah.
There's definitely a problem with the simulator. So don't do it. Okay. What you should do is get a TradeAvate or a Trading View one right now that's free, and just practice on that, because your simulator on TradeStation, okay. Well, number one, they're going to calculate real margin tonight.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Because it's a member firm. It's not a proper count. Proper counts, they don't factor in margin,
Okay.
right? Member firms calculate margin.
Should be zero right now. So
Well, if you have a $500,000 buying power, how much?
I got $1 million.
But then you should have enough money to trade. But if that's wrong,
Yeah, I'm supposedly zeroed out, but let me go and see if I can see what that other.
okay.
'Cause, yeah,
Again, anybody who signed up for me, you could text me 914-500-7484. Yeah, you can learn. You can learn. All right. There goes goes up 30 off that low. Got to wait for the 30-minute time frames. All right. So who says up and then down on the Chinese market? Okay. But who says down and then up? All right. My phone's blown up. Anybody who has not won, please text me 914-500-7484 for my 7-day free access. I want to see. I say up and then down. Pac-Man, thank you. Michael Jacques, thank you. Nobu, you're the best. S&Ps, should get one more push up here. Look at the S&Ps on a 30-minute time frame. Good Lord. Oh, my God. Look at the 30-minute right here. Look at this. Look at the 30-minute, Denny. Oh, my God.
Oh, I'm looking at it.
Again, if you guys, anybody new, you can, anybody who hasn't won, you can text me 914-500-7484. I say up and then down. There goes the S&Ps. If you just bought, they just trade down to 08.5. NASDAQ, look at the S&Ps. 09, what did NASDAQ just get down to? Why is it so quiet? Because the World Series is on. That's why. Look at it. Mr. Gold by a penny.
Yeah, you see. This is going crazy.
Gotta take profit when you can, Raphael.
Raphael,
Oh,
that's
wait, you
not
didn't
true.
get into
Raphael.
it,
Look at
did
the
you?
gold. Oh my God. Look at the gold. I would scalp short this gold, 23 up to like 30 range. Again, I would use micros. What time we got? We got 8 minutes before the Tokyo, the Chinese market. So that was that buy right here, Denny. Denny, you understand that? Off the MACDs here.
Yeah.
Look at that new low right there. So now, but we're still in what's called a sell disconnect here. Kaboom! Trade the flows. I think you'll be ready. Okay. If you guys text me, you got to send me your email. Okay. If you text me, you got to send me your email. Okay. I want to see how many people signed up. Maybe I'll do something special on my own here. Gold to 40.40. I don't know about that. If you're short the gold, just look to cover below 22 here for a quick scalp. You see what I'm saying, Jonathan?
What do you mean by cover? What does that mean?
Cover?
Yeah.
You've been with me for 9 months. I'm gonna slip my wrist.
No, I have to. Like,
What was I doing the last 8-9 months talking to you? Like, were you just like on Pluto and just like what were you on? You're wearing a Yankee hat. Defend the Bronx, proud. Okay, please.
Michael, there's nothing you're supposed to do. Like I've mentioned already before, you have to wait. The guy who issues the accounts, he hasn't gotten around to issuing.
Oh my God Almighty!
Free account if you won. It's delayed right now. Please give it a little bit more time. If you don't want to give it a little bit more time, open a ticket and support will help you there.
I hit start screen.
But they will ask for
I was
proof.
doing the podcast. I was done. It says start screen again. I had to do it all again tonight.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch this.
It's bullshit.
Yeah, but now I can see what actually happened.
All right. If you're short the gold, look to just cover the short here. Okay. Kabooshed. Nice little scalp short on the gold. All right. Again, if you are new, okay, please text me your phone name and email. All right, I'll see what I can do here.
I'm just having a good time, John.
Always rise, always rise. Wow, did you get long down here? Always rise on that buy divergence? If you did, congratulations. That was a great job. Gold just dropped 4 just now. All right, I say up and then down for the Chinese market. Gold to 40.52. Wow, you're really bullish. Are there limited entries? No. So, Salazzo. I hope, am I saying that right? Salazzo. From The Godfather. Salazzo.
You gotta say with the Italian accent.
I don't know. I don't want to missay it. Tony's saying gold to 40.40. Denny, we got to get to 7,800.
I agree.
Again,
I
anybody
agree.
who texted me, please text me your phone name and email. Okay, just don't text me and say hi. What am I going to do with that? Hi. Okay. What am I going to do with that? Hi. Text me. If you text me, re-text me your phone name and email before I slip my wrist like Frank Pentangeli in The Godfather. All right. Again, I would love to hear from you all. Okay. Again, S&Ps, I'll be looking to buy these 05 to 09 NASDAQ, just dip below 75. The 15s and the 30-minute time frame should get one more push up on these S&Ps. Denny, did you go long down there, Denny?
Yeah. Or no, I haven't traded tonight, Steven.
Oh, what happened, Denny?
No, I'm working on stuff for MyFundedFutures right now.
Okay. Something big?
Yeah, there's some good stuff coming very
Let's
soon.
go, MyFundedFutures.
I'm not
Where's
going to
Luke
spoil it or even give hints. Y'all never get anything out of me, but we do have some good stuff coming very soon.
What's the score of the game? 1-0 Dodgers?
And then you have to pay for the live data. The market subscription for live data.
Okay, so trade eBay, I can get on there now, trade for free.
All right, we got the 3 minutes here.
Do you have profit counts?
No, because my trade station's all jacked up.
No, I know, but do you have profit counts from MyFunded or anybody?
I just signed up for my phone last night.
Please, if you texted me, you need to text me your full name and email. Okay, period. Boom. Or else I'm going to delete it. Rocky Mountain Trades, okay? Go could hit the pivot 40, 43. 20 up, could. 20 up.
They gave you the password, you use the password, you can use that if you want to trade it right now. Yes,
Same login.
should be.
Anybody, again, if you are texting me, please text me your full name and email, and I'll see what I can do. All right? All right. How's Luke doing, Denny? Denny's not going to give you a hint. Are you crazy? No way. It ain't happening. Who wants a piece of gum? Piece of gum? Want a piece of gum? All right. Don't drive me crazy. All right? Stop learning.
You're driving me crazy.
I'm driving you crazy. I'm driving you crazy. You got the wrong guy to drive crazy. Okay? I'm about to open up that bottle of scotch, Jonathan. You came here and said, please, Stephen, help me. For 8 months, it's going one ear out the other.
What are we doing with these guys, Uncle? They didn't. Only 40 people now total.
I'm not doing a raffle unless there's 100 or more.
Roger that.
I ain't doing it. I'm wasting my time. I get it. A lot of people work during the day. Don't get me wrong. I get it.
It's evening time now. All right, one more minute.
We get Chinese market. Again, if anybody wants to reach out to me, please text me your full name and email. I'll see what I can do. Anybody who's texting me without their full name and email, I'm deleting it. Okay? Plain and simple. Spencer, what's going on? I'm having a piece of gum. 914-500-7484. All right. What's this? Let's see. Come on, push up. No, don't go down. Go up first. To short them. Damn it. Come on, go up first. Don't go down first. Come on, here we go. Go to 28, 29, 30. (914-500-7484). Anyone who texts, here we go. Okay, I'm going to be right down, up and then down. If this gold gets up to the 30.80 to 39.80, I would probably look to short it. That's what I think it's going. 30.80. 1-0.
when you find MyFundedFutures account, your login for that, it's not the login right there. They give you a different login. It's like MFF number. It'll you should have gotten an email.
This gold gets up to the 28, maybe 28 to 38 range. I would scale shorts. I would go wide on this. When is the drawing for the accounts?
Never.
I'm not doing any. I only got 40 signups. Then are you doing any tonight?
Watching the game.
Then he's watching this game. We got to get a cabooshin.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can show it. Yeah. If you go to the website.
Pushing long. What a look at this. Unbelievable.
Yeah. And then go to
91 overbought reading here.
oh, yeah, I'm trying to get
You can either short this 28 to 38 range, or you can go like 30 and a half up to 40 and a half range.
Dodgers are up 2-0.
2-0 Dodgers. Come on, please. Ohani hit a home run. He'll be an MVP. Good job, Bob Barker. Oh, I want the Chiefs to lose in the worst way. That team gets every freaking call.
Yeah, they do. We should get you a TV in here so you can watch sports while you're doing it. It'd be fun.
Again, Kansas City refs. I love it. You're right. You're right. All right. Again, if anybody wants to text me, I'll decide if I'm going to give you, because I'm not going to do a raffle tonight. If you're short this gold, you want to text me for a free sign up to SK, just text me with your phone name and email. If you're short this gold at 28, lower your stops. Okay, you should be using another simulator.
I'm getting on it right now. I'm getting on TradeMate.
Okay, that's what you're gonna use tomorrow.
Okay.
Trade Station is completely bananas. Okay,
Okay.
all right. Quick hand on the mouse. Okay.
Above where your sell is. You should be lowering your stop as it goes down. And once you get break even, then you're gonna be in the positive no matter what. Does that make sense? Yeah.
All right, gold. If this gold gets up to the 30 and a half, up to the 40 and a half range, I look to scale short. Here we go. 30, 80. Here we go. 30, 80, 40. I told you it's going to go to 30, 80. There you go. 30, 80. Now you're $16 above the 10 bar. Scalp it. Trade it. What do I think of this market now? It's dropping. Lower your stops. It just dropped 3. Trade it. Arton got the short. I know it. You guys got to be fast. Okay?
Hand on the mouse.
Hand on the mouse. Here, I'm going to post it in here. How do I type in the YouTube?
In the YouTube? What do you need?
I want to type. They're asking me for my phone number.
I'll do it. I got you.
And in both. I don't know how to do it.
In bold? You can't bold anything on YouTube.
No, in both.
Oh, in both. Okay. Yep. Got it.
Our town's all happy. Andrew Knapp, you got the short. Good job. Okay. Ohani's single. Look at that. Okay.
All right, so MyFundedFutures. It's 914 is 500, 7484, right?
914-500-7484.
Yeah. That's it. Okay. We're good. I just posted in my phone and I'm posting.
Again, anyone who texted me, please put your full name and email, okay? And I will decide to give you a 7-day free trial. There goes the gold dropping. It just hit that 30.80. I think it hit actually 31. 31. Just dropped 4. This gold wants to go higher. So right now gold is $16 above the 10 bar. If you want to take a scalp short here, you can go like the 32.80 up to 42.80 range. Look at this gold. So I just called the range. So you go 32.80, then you go maybe 34.80, right? Jonathan?
Yeah.
You're scaling in, right? 32.80, 34.80. Okay.
Steven.
Yes, Danny.
I got 10 giveaways tonight. Can I go ahead and do them real quick?
That's it? 10?
That's it.
If they hit 600, they get another 10?
Sure.
All right. You could go lower your stops on the short. See how fast it is? You can admit just now made about $300-400 on that gold. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, you're scalping the short on the based upon the non-confirmation. Okay, period.
All right, let me share my screen.
Okay. All right. So I just convinced gold just dropped 4 here, people. 3.5.
Remember, if you are not here tonight,
I say you wait. I wouldn't do it now.
Oh, you want me to wait?
Now?
Okay.
I say here, do 5 now. Do 5.
Okay. Well, so here's the thing: if they're not here to claim it, then they're just not winning.
Right.
Which the first person is Jaquan Banting.
If you guys win, you have to be here. Okay. All right.
The link has already gone out, and I left it up for almost 20 minutes. I told y'all last week that I'm only going to start leaving up for 15 minutes from now on. Jaquan, are you here? Mr. X, you can have 5 50K Pro accounts if they're funded, or you can have 3 100 or 3 150K if they're funded. Jaquan, I'm sorry if I don't know how to pronounce your name. Joaquin?
Try starting from scratch.
Jack Boom, and that's why you're out of here.
I'll try.
I said no negativity tonight. No name calling.
Your browser, whatever browser.
All right, moving on to the next. I don't see it up there.
Morningstar, how are you, Morningstar?
Prash, are you here, Prash?
The actual price.
Giving it 15 seconds, Prash, and then we're moving on. Oh, I see you, Prash. I see you, Prash. All right.
If we get to 600, we'll do an extra 10.
All right, 4 more to go for right now. Mr. X giveaway has already been closed. Jacinia, are you here, Jacinia?
Look at this gold. Unbelievable.
All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, you're not here. Next. Go eat. Go eat. Thank you.
If we get to 600, we'll do another 10.
Insane, where you at? I know you're in here.
Gold?
I know you're in here, Insane.
You gotta be quick.
I see you
dude.
every night.
32.80, 34.80. It drops. You gotta start lowering your stop, Johnson. You gotta be fast, dude. This is like Formula One. Okay.
I see you, Insane.
Trading on them. He didn't know that.
Yeah,
that
he
was,
just put me.
he didn't know that was a setting. It was more one click, then
You don't
approve.
have to go in there.
No.
3 more.
All right, we're not there yet. 40.52. You're still 22 behind.
Same thing.
Arthur Monk. Are you here, Arthur Monk?
So I got a question to you.
Yes, sir.
All right. I got a bunch of people that I may want to give.
Yeah, I see you, Arthur. Congrats.
So like in a week or two, or in a couple of days, if they don't, I want to make sure that they don't get duped.
I have a master list.
Okay.
All right, moving on to
Well,
number
I don't
4.
mind.
Who's
So,
lucky number 4?
I type in an email. It'll show green if they've already gotten it.
got it.
Yeah, you're fine. Don't worry about
Got it. Okay.
The Lazy Gamer. Sophia, go eat. Go eat. Okay, go brush your teeth.
Questions, okay. Let me get one of my.
The Lazy Gamer, are you here?
Let me.
I made an account.
I know, but I'm gonna get you one.
So what?
Our time. What's the score? Our
I
time
see
2-0.
you, Lazy Gamer. All right, number 5. Let's see who lucky number 5 is gonna be.
Ooh, look at this gold rally. 45 off the lows.
NQ Trend Sniper.
Hey, there he is. NQ Sniper.
Go back inside. Okay, go tell mom to wash your brush your teeth. Thank you.
Mark, if you're from Australia, please text me your phone name.
I
and
see you,
email.
NQ Trend Sniper.
Listen, gold just dropped 6. Anybody still short?
All right, Chad, I'll be back a little bit.
7 gold just dropped. Gonna get one more push up to 34, 35. Watch. You're getting 90 overbought reading on the 30-minute. Mark from Australia, if you're please text me your full name and email. Anybody who texted me, I'm gonna delete it. If you don't text me your email, okay? Period. Congratulations to the winners. What did you do? 10, Denny?
No, I only did 5 right now, Steven. I said I'll do another
5?
5 around.
All right. This gold gets up to the 35.80 to the 43.80. I would look to short it. I think this gold is going to get one more push up here. Why? I have no idea. Okay.
Just wait till it hits it.
The link for the next 5 is too late. You had to sign up within a certain time. Oh my God. We got to get up to the do you have what? Do I have a video of your chart set up?
Chat, the reason why I do this is so I can see who's actually here.
It's on the website.
It's so I can see who's actually here paying attention to the stream. If you're just here to win giveaways, that's not here watching us. That's not here trying to enjoy the show.
Right.
So, I mean, if you're not here whenever I put the link in the chat, I'm not going to announce it. I'm just going to put it there. Whoever's watching, they will get to sign up. They will get a chance to win.
S&Ps, look to sell
Here, pay attention.
these S&Ps 08 3/4 up to probably 09.5, 10. Bit for Logic Systems. Anybody that wants a free 7-day free trial, you can text me 914-500-7484. Full name and email, and I'll make a determination. Mark from Australia, did you hear me? Mark from Australia. All right, I'm still thinking that this goal can get up to the 3580. Okay, there goes the S&Ps on the long. NASDAQ, scale out any longs above 75. Still short the NASDAQ? I didn't say short. I was looking to go long off the 15 and 30-minute time frames. You got bull flags on the 30 and 60-minute time frames. Why would you why do you look at it? Look at the 30-minute time frame on the S&Ps. I just showed it to you. Right here. Look at this. Right here. Look at the 30-minute. Now, with the negative MACD here, on any push-up, because the MACDs are negative on the 15 and 30, any push-up's going to make a lower high. Okay? Any push-up's going to make a lower high. You see the power of divergences, though? When this goal was making a new low here, how the 30-minute and the 15-minute MACDs cannot confirm the low. Look at that. Look at that right there. Boom. Cannot confirm the low. What happened?
I'm still trying to get on, yeah.
Tradeovate?
The Legends
Yeah.
password they gave her.
It's different, yeah.
It's
so
not
I'm
working
just
for
trying
her. And I'm looking here.
All right, I'll give you here.
So
Do this here. Oh, you have a chat for them? There's a chat for them.
For Legends?
Mhm.
Which one? The Discord or no?
I don't know, but you can write to him.
oh, okay.
All right, this goal is going to get one more push up here. Denny, I'm surprised you're not doing anything tonight, Denny.
I'm working on a couple of different things, so I want to put my focus into that. That way, chat will like it when it finally comes out.
Yep.
Believe me, I want to be making money, but I also got to make sure that chat's going to
I
be
think
happy
this
with
goal-
what we provide for them.
I think this gold's going to roll over here. I'm hoping it gets up to 35.80, but if it's still short, look to cover shorts below 30 and a half here. No more going forward. I'm done with that. I'm done. There's nobody there. I'm not doing it.
Well,
Max, I'm awake. I'm never asleep.
Set up. And we'll get everything going on
Yeah.
Instagram, TikTok.
Yeah, I want to make sure this is all working properly.
Yeah.
Because I literally
Eli, I
do.
will never touch
See,
paddle.
I didn't
Never
get
played
that.
a single one, and I don't plan on today.
I didn't get that. I hit nano, I hit podcast, start, and then I could not stop it at the end. All right, gold's getting cabooshed here.
All right.
If you're short, we'll get it right.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it actually.
After I drop them off,
Yeah.
I'm going to come back and take some stuff to my my house. Get out of here, make it clean up.
All right, I'll help you.
NASDAQ to 26,500, Traver. Okay. S&Ps, gold just got cabooshed. Gold just dropped 7. Anybody still short? Julian? 3-2, Toronto? Oh, my God. Our town, what happened? Prop shop trading just destroyed all the day's work on 2. How'd you do that? Jeff B trading, good job on a short. Again, anybody, you got that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Yeah, I'll give you yeah, take that one down. Take a picture of that. That's what you're gonna need. Okay. All right, now this gold should get one more push up here. Gold. 3-2 Dodgers. Is the left fielder David Schneider playing? Because we know him. My son played baseball with him. Let's see here. Who's that? Made a good job. Who is that? Geraldo, great job. Made 1,000, almost 1,064. Great job, Geraldo. Good job. What are you talking about? Gold? New all-time high? We are at an all-time high. Okay, again, anybody who texts me, you're going to need to send me your full name and email, or else I'm just going like this. Delete. Okay, or I'm not doing it. If you want, need to consider giving you a 7-day free trial. Just letting you know, okay? You got it, Bonaxi Design. All right. Denny, they want more promotions. We only had about 480 tonight. We got to get 800-900 people. This is a joke. It's free. Free. What a joke. Right, Denny?
Guys, it was just that promotion that y'all are talking about. It was a chance to be in a giveaway. I don't know if MyFundedFutures will bring it back. I can bring it up to them, but I think we're trying to find new things to bring for y'all.
What happened to the time frame?
No, it's all gone. All my church is on a trade station. They left Friday.
Oh, because he didn't.
Yeah,
Yeah, he. All right, gotcha.
Friday they're gone. So,
He'll get it tomorrow.
okay. And then I'll add these. So
Got it.
Thank
And
you
you?
so
What's
much.
up with you?
I just placed.
Good?
Yeah. I shorted 30 to the 126.
Okay.
What you do?
26.
What you do?
Gold. I shorted 30 to 26.
Where are you short?
Okay.
You guys see it, Lana. I don't like that. All right, gold just dropped 7 here.
Figured out already.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, we did.
It was just one for contract.
There you go. Yeah. It's all positive. I got one negative.
Not
Because
bad.
you were just holding that.
Yeah.
Like a crazy guy.
I couldn't.
You didn't know what to
sell,
do.
yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Now you knew though. Now you know. So there you go. Just keep practicing.
All right, you have a little bull flag. You get one more push up here.
Okay.
No, nothing's moving as much. Four to 2 Blue Jays. Wow.
And they came back already?
Yeah.
Oh,
I think it's bottom of the 6th, right?
Are you okay?
Yeah,
You're good now?
I got my 2.
Perfect. All right.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah. Hey, I'll go.
Yeah.
I think that I'm gonna create a Discord channel
Mhm.
for the newbies that come, so I can help them and just log in and say, hey, what do you need help with, and I can walk them through.
What is he having help with? Need help with?
Well, like
every system is different, right? Like TradingView, you have to set up one-click trading system, but you gotta go into the settings. You gotta do this. You gotta do that.
Denny, who do you guys use? TradingView? Denny, for MyFundedFutures, Denny?
Well, they use TradeAbate, but you can connect that to.
We
any
use
of
TradingView. We use DS feed. We use TradeAbate, and then we use I mostly use Volmetrica.
What do you say?
He uses TradingView.
The website.
Yeah, but then you can connect TradingView on here, and then
Yeah.
it's just
Yeah.
once again.
Yeah. Yeah, but you the difference.
These S&Ps, as they get down to the 02.5, 06.5, I'd look to buy them again here, down here. This gold, very, very quiet here. Very, very quiet.
Right, so she has TradingView on the one screen for her DOM.
And again, anybody
Her charts.
who
Makes sense?
wants to have a free 7-day, just text me. You guys text me at 914-500-7484. But you need to text me your full name and email.
Just exactly like her.
A question, so you have to do a double, then you click on here, and then you have to say bye.
Yeah,
You can't just
I don't
click
know
on
the TradingView. Let me look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know all the
Because
settings.
it's like a 2-click.
Yeah, I know. I mean, 2-click is better than.
No click, yeah,
Yeah,
I
so-
agree.
But yeah, let me look into it.
Okay.
All right. S&P's just rallied 2. Gold just dropped 7. My Lord, is it quiet? Good job, Geraldo. Great job. Denny, why is it so quiet tonight? Hey, Spencer. What's going on, brother?
I don't know. Maybe because today we had a really big jump in the price. Like the market already climbed a lot tonight. Or I mean yesterday.
No, I mean,
Climbed a lot
Gold
yesterday.
rallied. Gold rallied. Now I'm short this gold. These 15s and 30s should get cabooshed here. But I was hoping for 35.80. But if you caught the short up here, it just dropped about 7, 8.
Mm.
You're going to get one more push down and then one more push up, and that should do it. Unbelievable. So until this gets fixed tomorrow, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Because
I just got it.
practicing is everything on this thing. It's messed up.
Yeah.
Gold just got cabooshed, $10, Denny. Where's the bear? So if you want to see something really crazy, if you guys want to see, oh, look at this gold, cabooshed. If you guys want to see something really crazy, look at this. You guys want to see something really, really crazy? I wouldn't be long up here with your money. Look at this gap here on the 60. Look at this gap right here. 1. Anybody short the gold still? Oh, my God. Martin, great job. Look at this. Here, I'll make this smaller here. Okay? Look at this gap on a 60. Look at these 2 gaps on a 60. Even if you covered here, okay, you're talking 130 handles on the S&P, brings you back down to 67.70. Okay? Gold just got cabooshed here. Good job, do the trades. Okay? If you want to take a scalp long on the gold, probably anywhere between the 14.5 and 22.5 range. Scalp long only. I'm so bearish though. You got to use micros if you do anything. Paresh 914-500-7484. Anybody see these gaps? Where's this going? Where are they going here? Gold just got cabooshed, Denny. 13. I'd scale out anywhere between 22 and 24 if it gets up there. I'm not liking this at all. 22, 24, 25. Oh, good job, Kiefer. YF2VB. Good Lord. NASDAQ, I think, is going to turn up off the 15 and 30-minute time frames. I said it. When the 30-minute scale down, gold, you could look to scale out anywhere 21.5 up to 24. What's the question here, Devog? SPX blown what? SK in general, when the 30-minute MACD is crossing downward, can we look for scalp longs? Yes, you look to scalp longs against it. However, any push-up is going to run into a brick wall. Goes down 15 off the highs here. Hand on the mouse. Paw on the mouse. Okay, look at that. Beautiful bear flag. 34. That's why I was calling it, and I said look to short one more time if you got up to 35.80. This gold's finished. Who kept on saying 40.52, 40? No way. Not when the 30 and 60-minute time frames are negative. These 60s roll over, it's over. You want to see you get one more push up to get out. Look at the S&Ps just rallied 3. If you're still long the S&P and NASDAQ, I'd be scaling out of longs here. I told you the 30-minute time frame is going to turn up on the S&P and NASDAQ. Gold should get one more push up. I told you, gold, I'll be scale out of longs on gold above 21. Okay. Nick Trito, 1400. Good job. I told you the 30-minute time frame on the NASDAQ and the gold. NASDAQ and S&P. S&P just ran 4. NASDAQ just ran about 18. Okay, 18 off the 30-minute.
Hey, when you're entering the trade on the trader, scroll up super high.
There goes the gold. I'll be scaling out the longs on the gold. Come in, Manila.
That little checkbox. Click that. It's up. And then from now, exit it. And just do it again anyway.
Oh, okay.
No, you don't have to.
Awesome. Thank you.
Anybody get the long on the NASDAQ or S&Ps off the 15 and 30-minute time frames? NASDAQ short. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what I did. Nick, great job, Nick.
Close that out. Will you long scalp gold round?
I called it already.
Is it too late?
Are you going to make me have an aneurysm?
I'm asking. I don't know.
What? You're 1.5, maybe 3 feet next to me. Do you not hear me say? Look to go buy the gold. I said 14.5 to 22.5 or 15.5 to 22.5 or 21.5. It dropped down to 17. I said, now look to exit longs. You're right here, Baba. Jonathan.
I'm still learning the terminology that you use.
Okay, then ask. What's the question? if I'm
Yeah, but
calling
if
a
I
range,
ask-
if I'm saying look to buy,
But then if I ask,
well,
you're saying I should have known that already.
you, I need it. I don't understand. You're right next to me, and you said, should I buy gold? No, it dropped. I called a range when gold was trading 24. I said, look to buy gold. I said 14.5 to 22.5 or 21.5 range, right? So I already called the long and that off that pattern, right? So now gold started dropping. You could have bought 21.5, maybe you bought 19.5. I got down to 17.5. Now I said, look to exit longs above 21.5 to 23.5, 22.5. It's 23 now. So gold technically off the lowest, and now it's valued 6.
So by exit longs, you mean go long at that.
Exit longs means sell it. Out.
Exit.
Exit. Okay, if I say cover shorts, that means it's dropping and cover shorts, right? That means we're short at 90, now it's 85, 87, cover shorts. There goes the gold right back up. Okay?
When you exit longs, you can't go long at that moment too.
But it's not smart as approach. You can do anything really. So when he's calling out things like this, like I would do a scalp long at XYZ.
Anybody get the long on the gold?
Get in, put a limit order in right there. Right when he says it. Around
He's new.
range, okay?
He's new, so I'm trying to help him.
Then you enter the trade, and then when he says cover, it means
Exit longs, Baba.
Right? At this point.
Right?
That makes sense.
Anybody get that long on gold?
So,
Anybody?
while you're in here, it's good to look at what you're saying. Like, hear what he's saying. Okay? That way,
Nick, you're supposed to visit me anyway.
you use what he's saying right now.
Okay? Who got the gold on, who got the gold long?
Yeah, I was scared to do anything because I couldn't.
You should not be scared about doing anything. I don't want to hear the word scared. Okay? If you're scared, this is not the game for you. I don't want to hear the word fear. I don't want to hear the word scared. What?
The word, I didn't
If you don't understand, that's a different definition. I don't want to hear the word fear. I don't want to hear the word scared. I don't want to hear that bullshit from anybody. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
I'm not short gold, Michael. I was calling longs. And again, I'm not doing a raffle tonight, but anybody who wants a free account, I'll determine. You got to text me your phone, name, and email. Okay? Phone, name, and email. Okay? 914-500-7484. Bullshit, Martin. There's no fear. No fear, and I don't want to hear the word you're scared. You got to be immune to that, right?
So,
All right. Nice out on the gold.
okay, good. Yeah, that's good. Consistent. Be consistent in one thing. Right? And so, you also, hey, Uncle,
Yeah.
talk to them about the underlying ETF. So when they because it only matters during the day, right? During the
Right.
open exchange.
See the gold? The gold was a nice exit. 25, just dropped 5. You have to use the underlying ETF.
But after the market's closed, meaning those things.
You have to use the underlying ETFs when you're trading the futures markets. If you're trading NASDAQ, it's the QQQs. S&P, spiders. Gold, GLD. Oil, USO. Right? Okay? RTY, IWM. YM, DIA. Okay? Period. Okay? All right. I don't want your YouTube. Anybody who's not listening, I'm deleting. I said full name and email. I don't want your YouTube name, okay, on my text. I'm going like this. Boom, 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 and boom again. Gold, I look to buy here 02.5, 06.5. Let's see if hold on. Let's just wait the 5 minute. Anybody who texts me, and when I go through my text, if I don't see a full name and email, I'm going like this. Delete. Delete, delete, delete. I'll determine who gets a free 7-day free trial. Okay? Period. If you don't sign up, guess what? Your name goes in the system. You can't get it again. How's that? That's the way Aaron wrote it.
Well, Steven, how about we do the last 5 giveaways real quick?
Okay, let's do it.
What are you saying?
We got to get this stream up.
I agree. Nitish Kumar. Kumar, are you here?
They got to be here to win. Yes, our tone is real.
What's up, Edra? All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
I'm not mad at
3,
what I'm trying
2,
to say is for the
1.
last
Not
7
here. Moving on to the next.
9 months, you should have been learning, right? And now that you're next to me, if I'm calling a range,
Oh, he is here. I see him. I see him. I
right
see him.
next to me, if you're not clear, say, Steve, what do you mean by that range? And then I would say, you have to.
Next one, Gabriel Trades. Where you at, Gabriel?
You have to determine how many contracts you want to do, whether it's 4, 5, 8, 10, 12,
In the world?
right? Depending on the pattern, right? That wasn't the greatest pattern in the world, so you probably do maybe 6 to 8. Okay, so maybe you buy 1 here, you buy 1 here, you buy 3 here, okay, and then you have some ammunition.
I see you, Gabriel. I see you.
Those 5, and you buy 5 on the bottom. That's it. And you put a stop in. It ran $7. You would have made probably about $350, $400 on that trade. Okay.
All right, moving on. Number 3.
And I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at the fact that you're not listening.
No, I'm listening. I just
Comprehending this difference.
Rec 100. Are you here, Rec?
I don't remember.
Yeah, it's a lot. But did you go over the videos?
No, TCE.
The course? No, I've been wanting to, but he told me to not. Okay.
Rec, are you here?
You did?
Yeah.
I see you, Rec.
Uncle.
Congrats. Congrats. Congrats.
Uncle.
2 more.
Yeah.
Who the next 2 are?
You tell him not to watch the course and that he should just watch you?
I told him the week he's here with me.
Oh, yeah. I'm
His Royal Trade.
I said, he's
Royal
the focus
Trades,
on
are you
that.
here?
When he goes back, he can do what he wants. This is too valuable for him.
right.
He has to really elevate himself.
Sure.
I don't want him wasting his time while he's here.
I see you, Royal.
You're here. Now, when you, I never said not to never watch it.
Because it's really good.
I said, when you're here,
Congrats,
you
congrats,
focus on me.
congrats.
Like her. You focus on me when I'm teaching.
All right, who's ready for the last one? Last one.
That I would watch them. And then watch the topic of the weeks. He really explains a lot of it more.
Billy. Billy. Billy, I need to see your name in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I didn't see your name, Billy. Move on to the next. Vakil Kurishi? I see you, my man. All right, congrats to the 10 winners for tonight.
Just it's not just going to be one of the great ones. He watches my podcast and he learns the patterns.
We will be back tomorrow with some more giveaways.
All right. Very quiet, Danny. And we only got 450 people. We got to talk about this. We got to get these more people up here. Right, Denny?
Yeah.
I agree. I agree.
Oh,
I think it's just J-O-N.
oh man. There goes the gold right back up. Gold just rallied 8. And again, anybody who wants the 7-day free trial, I'm going to decide. Please text me your full name and email, and Aaron and I will sift through it. Okay? Again, 914-500-7484 if you want the 7-day free trial. Now, again, if I grant it to you and you don't sign up, you can't win for 3 more months. I'm just telling you now. Okay? So please understand that. Wow, Chief 7, Commander 7. All right, gold just rallied 10, Denny, on that.
But I think something happened.
There goes the gold. There goes the gold. And again, anybody who wants a 7-day free trial, please text me your full name and email. I stream every day from 9 to 4. And it's really a great community, I'll tell you that. And then it's just a stream for 7 days. Okay, it's just a stream.
All right, chat. I know y'all keep asking. When I posted the link, there was 230 people that actually signed up for it. 230. That's how many entries there was. I'm going to say this again while everybody is here. For this week, well, actually for all the time now, if you are not here to claim it, when I call out your name, then I'm moving on to the next person after a certain amount of time and giving you a chance to answer first. Okay? I'm not changing it up. I'm going to keep it the way I've been doing it. You have to be here. You get 15 minutes to sign up. If you don't sign up within that time, you're just missing out on the night.
I agree, Denny. Enough is enough. I mean, people. These are not hard rules, you know?
Yeah.
Look, 961 on the Pro 50K account. Done for the day, Ethan. 55588. Good job, Ethan. Great job. Denny's the GOAT. Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't get it, man. You got a free night here. MyFundedFutures. Okay, some nights are slow. Some nights are busy. Caught some really great longs on the S&P and NASDAQ. Okay. Gold. Couple great patterns. Nice shorts. Grim Skull 416 Kaboosh. Not really. How do you trade gold on MyFundedFutures TradeAvate account? Oh boy. Shorting gold. I don't know if I was short gold here, unless it gets a little higher. Claudel, 4,800, made 1,400. Congratulations. Good job, running man. See, 19 is slow, busy. We're still learning. Exactly. That's what this stream is about. And then you get Pac-Man 200 on 20 accounts, singles and doubles. All you need to be, see this? Diane, read this. Come here. Right. Jonathan, wake up. Read this. Pac-Man. Okay? That's the name of the game. Singles and doubles.
Mm-hmm.
Pac-Man, where do you have 20 accounts with? Okay? Pac-Man.
He's a Marine, I think.
Pac-Man's a Marine.
I think so.
That's what I'm talking about. Gold just dropped 4. And again, if anybody wants a free 7-day free trial to my live stream, please text me. Again, I'm going to say it. Your full name and email. Don't give me your YouTube. And don't send me, hi, Steve. Nice to meet you, because I'm deleting it. What's my phone number? 914-500-7484. Folks, thank you very much. Please don't ask me about XAU. I don't look at XAU. 100 people left because it's the end of the night. And again, if you want to text me for a free 7-day free trial, you get one chance. If I pick you and you cannot resubscribe for 3 months, but don't try to game it. My system knows. And if you do try to game it, you're banned for life. I'm just telling you the rules, period. Okay? I'll pick a slew of people here. Okay? Hey, Shovel Spar, really? Where do you live? I have no. Yeah, I charge well for the live stream, for the member Discord and the chart overlay, it's $4.50 a day. You can't make $4.50 a day. Pac-Man just made 200 on 20 accounts. Do the math. Okay. And I stream at nanosecond. You know what that costs? Okay. Jay Schilling, you gotta scale in properly. Okay. Jay Schilling. If you want to call me, just call me and at my number or text me. Then don't do it. I've been 43 years in the game. Who do you think I am? Go ahead. Take care, CJC 4510. Have a great night. Angel. Okay, Angel. Raphael Trades. I hope to meet you one day. S&Ps, if they go down to the 02.5, 06.5, I'd look to buy them. Charles Williams, nice to meet you. Have a great night. No, Ryan just built something to handle up to 20 accounts. Jeff. My God, is it quiet? Lashi 72, REC 100X, you're very welcome. Zeph Side 84, have a great one. Last sheets, have a great night. Gold seems heavy. I agree. I think gold's going to get crushed. Must tick hawk. What's it? Must tick. The trade nest. Thank you very much. Ishmi 9780. Have a great night. Girl in Trend. Have a great night, brother. All right. Again, before I sign off here, have a great night. I have a podcast every night called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please, please, please watch it. Okay? Please watch it. Every night on my YouTube, SK Trading at 6 p.m. Also, again, like I said, I want to say thank you for Denny. Thank you for MyFundedFutures for sponsoring tonight. Okay? Thank you for Denny. Taveen, thank you. Adam, thank you. Thank you.
Well, Steve, I thank you for coming up here every single night, teaching us and guiding us in the way of how you trade and how everything is supposed to move in the market. So thank you.
I just want everybody to do well. As you know, I'm not an affiliate. Okay. I don't believe in that, and I don't do that. And but I just want all of you to pass. All I want is all of you to be consistent. I want every one of you to have your lives changed. Okay. Dabata Payaki. All right. With that being said, again, if anybody wants a free 7-day free trial, you can text me at 914-500-7484. I'll decide who gets it, but you need to text me your full name and email. If you don't, I'm deleting it. Trust me, I'll delete it. Okay. Denny, have a great night, brother. We'll cut it 2 minutes early here. Let's
You
do
too,
it.
bro.
All right. Have
You
a
too.
great night, everybody, and God bless you. Look at the shirt, USA, baby. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Have a good night, everyone.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.